This is your OCC 24 strand D series distribution cable. It's an indoor-outdoor rated PVC cable, the outside diameter being 0.35 inches, and it is a 10 gig cable, OM3. The distance for 10 gig is at around 1,000 feet. Now this is an indoor-outdoor tight-bound, tight buffer design that allows cables to be installed in intra-building backbone and intra-building campus locations without costly transition between cable types. The materials are indoor-outdoor. You have the UL listed OFNR and UV, water, and a fungus resistant. UL listed for vertical runs in building riser shafts from floor to floor. Wide operating temperature from -40 to +85 degrees Celsius. You also have a high crush resistance, and that may eliminate the need for innerduct. For a more detailed spec sheet and to order per foot, visit discountlowvoltage.com.